Good afternoon, class. So today we are starting with a new chapter for geography, that is chapter 6, Asia, Location, Political Division and Physical Features. So we all know that there are 7 continents and Asia is one of them. So in this chapter we shall study about the location, political division and physical features of Asia. So you have to underline these important words which I have underlined, which are very important. So first, let us have a look at the location of Asia. Asia is the world's largest and the most populated continent. It is estimated that the mainland island, along with the islands of Asia, cover about one-third of the total land area in the world. Its population forms three-fifths of the entire population of the world. So Asia is one of the world's largest and the most populated continent. And it is estimated that the mainland of Asia, along with its island, cover about one-third of the total land area in the world, and its population forms three-fifths of the entire population of the world. Why? Because the most populous countries of the world are found in Asia, that is China and India. Now, Asia is not only a continent of geographical extremes, but is also diverse in its cultural and economic characteristics. Now, Asia is not only a continent which is rich in its geographical features, but it is also a continent with a vast diversity and cultures and economic characteristics. Asia has been a cradle of ancient civilizations like the Indus Valley and Huanghe civilization. So Asia has been a birthplace of this ancient civilization, that is the Indus Valley civilization and the Huanghe civilization. Now Asia boasts of having the following features. So the table here, it shows the geographical features which are found in Asia. The highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is in Asia. The highest recorded temperature, Jacobabad in Pakistan. The highest average annual rainfall, Mawsyn Ram in Meghalaya. The highest plateau in Tibet. The largest lake, that is the Caspian Sea. The largest delta, Ganga and Brahmaputra. The deepest lake, that is the Baikal Lake. The lowest land depression, that is the Dead Sea. And the lowest temperature, Verkhoyansk in Siberia. So these are the important geographical features which are found in Asia. Now Asia is surrounded by the Indian Ocean in the south, the Arctic Ocean in the north and the Pacific Ocean in the east. Now if you look carefully at the political map of Asia, you will find that Asia is surrounded by the Indian Ocean in the south, the Arctic Ocean in the north and the Pacific Ocean in the east. Now Asia is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains, the Caspian Sea and the Caucasus Mountains. And Asia is separated from North America by the Bering Strait and from Africa by the Isthmus of Suez. In the southwest, there are 3 seas bordering the continent. So there are 3 seas bordering the continent in the southwest, that is the Red Sea, the Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. The latitudinal extent of Asia is from 10 degrees south in the southern hemisphere to 80 degrees north latitude in the north. So horizontally, Asia stretches from 10 degrees south in the southern hemisphere to 80 degrees north latitude in the north. Longitudinally or vertically, Asia stretches from 25 degrees east to 170 degrees west, covering 165 degree longitudes. And this creates many time zones throughout the continent. So the longitudinal extent and the latitudinal extent determines the time zones of many countries in Asia. And that is why different countries in Asia have different time zones. Most of the continent is within the northern hemisphere, while only a very small portion lies in the southern hemisphere. So a major portion of Asia lies in the northern hemisphere, whereas only a very small portion lies in the southern hemisphere. Now the combined landmass of Europe and Asia is called Eurasia. Now Eurasia is a combined landmass of Europe and Asia. So now let us have a look at the political divisions or how Asia is divided geographically. Asia consists of approximately 48 countries that vary in size from very small to very large. So Asia, it consists of approximately 48 countries of different size from very small to very large. Russia is partly in Asia and partly in Europe. So Russia, a part of it is in Asia and a part of it is in Europe. So when USSR broke up in 1991, some independent republics became part of Europe and some of Asia. So when USSR was divided in 1991, some of these countries falls under Europe and some falls under Asia. So Armenia, Azerbaijan, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Turkmenistan. So these are the countries which were once part of the Soviet Union or the SSR but now falls under Asia. So the Asian countries can be grouped as follows: Burma, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Brunei, Papua New Guinea, and Philippines falls under Southeast Asia. Mongolia, Japan, China, North and South Korea falls under East Asia. Pakistan, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, and India falls under South Asia. Israel, Lebanon, Syria, Jordan, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, Bahrain, Qatar, Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, and all other Arabic nations falls under West Asia. Now under Central Asia, these are the countries: Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Azerbaijan, Georgia, and Armenia. So these are the countries which falls under Central Asia. And remember that these are the countries which were once part of the Soviet Union. Now Asia's largest countries are Russia, China, and India, and the smallest countries are Singapore, Maldives, and Bahrain. So for today, let us stop here, and in the next video we shall continue with the physical features of Asia. Thank you.